Gentle slopes. Understanding the landscape in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, gentle slopes. This term is not just about geography, but it's also a wonderful part of the English language that paints a vivid picture. Let's dive in and understand what gentle slopes truly mean and how you can use this phrase in your everyday conversations. Gentle slopes refers to a type of hill or mountain that has a soft, gradual incline rather than a steep one. The word gentle here implies ease and smoothness in the slope's gradient. This phrase is often used to describe landscapes in nature, where the rise or fall of the terrain is not abrupt or sharp. It's a term that's easy on the ears and conjures a peaceful, scenic image. Now, let's see how to incorporate gentle slopes into sentences. For instance, 1. The hikers enjoyed their walk along the gentle slopes of the hill. 2. From my window, I can see the sun setting over the gentle slopes of the countryside. 3. The vineyards were spread across the gentle slopes, creating a beautiful patchwork of green. Notice how the phrase adds a visual element to the sentences, making them more descriptive and picturesque. Interestingly, gentle slopes can also be used metaphorically. For example, her journey to recovery was like walking on gentle slopes, easy and gradual. The learning curve in this course is a gentle slope, suitable for beginners. Here, the phrase symbolizes an easy and manageable progression in various contexts, not just physical landscapes. And that's a wrap on gentle slopes. I hope this video helps you understand and use this beautiful phrase in your English conversations. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about the pictures they paint and the feelings they evoke. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.